Filipino people, hindi ko tinitingala. I am Filipino blood. Yes, but I am born of Jesus Christ about miracle of the birth in immortal one. I don't think you're about me as complain about this history in your country because I am first miracle of the Christ in the Bible. Israel in Jerusalem is verse 6, 12 of 3rd in miracle. The fourth nakalagay na ako sa Bible at nakapangalan ako dyan, whatever the government and all over the world. It's very longer time is online story about spits in the Bible what happened over there in end time. At tigilan yung paggagamit sa akin China, Philippines, America ng aking pangalan, color, whatever the frack of your country, democracy, all the world power, for anything you are corrupt and go to hell. Because pagsisihan mo to kung anong kapalit to. Because it's eternity about the Christ, the end time, and end of the world, about the 10 commandments, and before the storm, mangyayari sa akin ang hukom sa aking story in this world. The world is ready to reign power and destroy the nation to our country and die people because people is moral over the money, over matters competition, and believe para always health and the last for old age. Yun nga, sabi mo sa language ng Philippine, nasa huli ang pagsisisi at hindi ka naniniwala sa karma, maranasan pagtumanda ka whatever your family are going to divided and back to loss of debt. Dahil ayaw humarap sa akin ng personal Philippines. Well, America, China, all over our government, president, religion, halata ka naman fake, diba? Huwag ka nang umasa pa sa atin. Because this is the world investing about the Christ. And you earth, you're like your body system, we're investing a pound of the earth like you, stupid. Words like very and harmless think. Before, isa kang mangmang na nilalang sa mundo. But you're going to population and over the world. For your information, you know, for our sexuality today is affected and over to believe to me. And you know, for his diwata, pais ganda, some mate, for professional na mga sexual na yumayaman. I'm so proud of you for color in you heal eternity for rejected of the Christ. You know, yung mga transgender na mga bakla o tumboy. In the first place, kung nagbabasa ka ng Bible, for you encourages you spitless and for your dream is a beauty changing for this awareness of the world. Ang nakalagay doon sa Bible. Yung mga bakla o mga isang babae o abortion na nagpapatransplant ay wala na silang part of heaven. Hindi na sila kilala ng Diyos at hindi na sila tinatawag ng Diyos at wala na silang buhay na walakan. You fight and endure the reward of our gifted life because your government, your reaching power and Lucifer, the world investment of Satan power because of material Satan and earth binuoto dahil kay Lucifer. Then the second coming of the Christ na itong mundo na to ay pag dumating ang Lord, ito ay huhukumin na, you know. Kaya tigilan yung pag-a-assume nyo at tigilan yung paggagamit sa akin dahil wala naman akong pagpapala sa inyo. Una sa lahat, what the body is particular successful, but that in your body is not safe. You're going to disappear. Tinatalaban ka ng bala na pupunit na bubulok at nakakalawang. Kaya ngayon mga bakla, mga tumboy, here this world you are not blessed to my crown and this world. Nakikigamit lang kayo ng history ko. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, pakamatay na lang kayo for the pleasant judgment day. Alam ko naman doon kayo pupunta sa impyerno kahit kailan. Repentant is not involved to the word to investing because people is control. Because the Christ is control to the people. Mapipigilan ang moral nyo dito. Well, what I have ending the moment. But now as gala and international Hollywood celebrity and over there in bullshit anything something failing and loving to me. Shut up. Hindi pa naman ako patay para pagpiestahan niyo ako dito sa pagkagamit ng aking kapangyarihan time for going the old life and abandon this life in the Philippines, ginagamit nyo dahil kinokontrol ako ng Christ, no? At hindi ko kayo pinapatulan at hindi ko pinapatay ang mga Pilipino na yan. Well, darating tayo dyan. Kahit ngambus ko dito sa Philippines, sa Filipino people baka mamaya president, katayin ko siya at padala ko sa ulo sa'yo. Tingnan ko lang kung magpapala ka. But if you live to me, yun ang sasapitin mo, Lucifer. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, Marcos, President, all senator in the Philippines, magpakamatay ka na lang. At ikaw, China, America, ituloy mo na lang World War III dahil ang kamatayan ng Lucifer dahil masyado kayong pobre at harassing sa plundered. May kalalagyan kayo dito. You know about the King Solomon of the verse of the Bible? Parang ako yon. Lahat ng religion at gobyerno, all politicians in the world to our emperor, kaya kong kontrolin at ginawa na yon for the Christ in moment of this thing the world is coming. Ganon din ang magaganap Kaya, habang ako ay nag-online na wala akong ginagawa, fire jumping to the harassment well, tatanggalan kita ng isang mata at isang kamay at isang pa para makalagay ka dyan sa wheelchair na in-invention. Your rich is better than that, right? Takot ka mamatay dahil alam mo naman, you the world to pound and hell going after died. Choice mo para sabihin ko sa'yo, this is world of our eating the bread of you about giving the word a nation. Lahat kayo magugutom, mawawasak ang mundo, flooding disaster, all devastated. Climate change is around my street and this overworld. You know, nagsasalita ako, pero gagamitin yung bibig ko para makontrol kayo sa mundo. At mamamatay kayo pag naririnig yung salita ko. Aatakin kayo sa puso at magsisuicide kayo. Because just power your word, you are not blessed this world. Like your body system, stomach, and Lord and testing. I'm gonna search over your doctor, expert of satanic, educated policy, scholar. Talk yourselves.